Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to edit your photos in just a minute. To do that, all you have to do is download a preset from the description. After downloading the preset, import the preset in the Lightroom's preset folder. After that, open any image that you wanna edit. For this tutorial, I am editing this photo of my friend. To edit the picture, go to your preset folder and simply click on the preset. The preset is named as Desaturated Blue PO. Boom. Look at this. This was the before and this is the after. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and let your friends know about my channel. Thank you.